In the field of investment management, robots take the role of financial advisors in providing cheap, fast, and widely available financial advice in situations where in the past we had humans doing this job. So the big question is, will robots replace humans in investment management? Let's split the problem into 4 parts, which are the parts of the investment process. The first part is understanding the client. Can robots understand the client and do the risk analysis that currently humans do? Questionnaires can be standardized, they can be less biased, and can be done by algorithms and analyzed as well. But there are some parts which still we need human interaction. One of them is understanding complex situations, understanding emotions, understanding how individuals cope with uncertainty. That's very difficult. It is replaced by robots. The second is asset allocation and security selection. This part is more technical, and there are 2 aspects of it. The first aspect is more technical, finding the optimal portfolio or finding whether a security is overvalued or undervalued. This part, which is technical, is already replaced by algorithms. We have optimization programs and algorithms which can do this part. The second part is about assumptions and inputs. A lot of these models require estimates about the future, forecasts about the future. Here is where we need expert opinion to form and understand the complex economic and market relationships about the future. The third part has to do with execution. Execution means how often do we trade, where do we trade, how large are the trades. This part is operational and can be easily replaced by algorithms. The fourth part is performance evaluation. How well did the portfolio perform? How do we need to rebalance? Here, the quantitative aspects can be replaced by algorithms, but there are other aspects which have to do with interpretation and communication to the client, which are much more difficult that they are replaced by algorithms or robot advisors. So to conclude, we can see 3 levels or hierarchy where robot advisors can replace investment managers. The first level is those that is technical and operational. Here we see that already robot advisors are taking most part of the role, or algorithms are doing most of the job, and we need very little human input. The second part is those that have to do with interpretation. Here is where we need possibly a hybrid model, both human and robots. And the third part, at the top of the hierarchy, we have creativity, design, and strategy. Here it's very, very difficult that robots can replace humans, or robot advisors can replace humans in understanding and in creating new systems which design investment management.